model, Ford Transit 2.4 TDCi 140 PS minibus 15-seater minibus 12 months MOT. Body, blue, minibus. Mileage, 106,461. MOT, the 6th of January 2026. Engine, 2,402 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash, very well. Maintained factory-fitted minibus, very clean inside, fresh 12-month MOT, ready to go. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, wind-up windows, 15-seater factory-fitted minibus, 12 months MOT. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.